The Biozynex laboratory presents Biozynex Autotest Gluten. This test is a self-test for the initial screening for celiac disease. Please note that the test can only be done in the context of a diet containing gluten. Before starting the test, open the box and remove all the items from their packaging. The box contains a leaflet, a pouch containing the test cassette, an alcohol wipe, a pad, a plaster, a diluent bottle, an inverted cup, and a lancet. Open the pouch and remove the cassette. The test should be used within 1 hour. Take the alcohol wipe and the compress out of their pouch. Disinfect the fingertip and then wipe off any traces of alcohol. Remove the cap from the lancet and apply it on the fingertip. Trigger it by pressing firmly on the other end. Squeeze the fingertip firmly to form a large drop of blood. Place the flare part of the inverted cup in contact with the drop of blood to fill the cup entirely. Immediately transfer the drop of blood into the S well of the cassette. Check that the bottom of wound well S is completely red before proceeding to the next step. Transfer 3 drops into the S round well of the cassette. Start the timer or write down the time of deposit. Wait 10 minutes to read the result. During this time, you can put on the plaster. The result of the test is negative if a color band appears only in the control zone. No color band appears in the test zone. A negative result indicates the absence of anti-deamidated gliadin antibodies. You probably don't have celiac disease. If symptoms persist as part of the gluten-containing diet, consult your doctor. The result of the test is positive if a color band is visible both in the control zone and in the test zone. A positive result indicates the presence of anti-deamidated gliadin antibodies and suggests with a high probability the diagnosis of celiac disease. Please consult your doctor for a definitive diagnosis. The result is invalid if no color band is visible in any zone or if no color band appears in the control zone. You may perform a new test.